Hey everybody, Composition 1 is now totally graded. A few students still won't have theirs back yet. That's just because they turned it in a slightly different way. Nothing wrong with it. It's just going to take me another day or two to finish those. But for 90% of you, your first essay's final draft is graded. So you'll want to go to your grades. You'll have a thing up here. Click on grades, check the points you got, check my rubric, look at my comments, and then you'll decide whether or not you'd like to revise essay number 1. Now, you don't have to do this. This is only for those of you who are not satisfied with your grade or who want more points for the final draft. To do that, just go down here to the bottom of week 3 and click Revision 1. Now, it might take a second to load, but these are all the instructions that you'll need to follow to revise Essay 1 in case you want more points. So basically, just go through this, read each part, follow the instructions, and you can upload it here on this assignment page. It'll take me a little longer to grade revisions than standard essays just because they're less of a priority to grade, but I will grade them. You will get those points before the end of the semester, and the worst thing that can happen with a revision is no change to your grade. It's impossible to lose points. So if you don't like the number at the end of your first essay grade, I would really recommend revising because you have the power to change it based on my comments, both on your final draft and on your rough draft. I really hope everyone looked at those annotations I made on their rough draft. That's where I spend a lot of time writing very specific comments, highlighting parts of your work, and giving you some feedback that I think is going to be most important. Even if you've already seen that, before you revise, I'd really recommend going back and looking at the feedback on your rough draft again to make sure that you really paid attention to some of the notes I made. Overall, your essays were good. I don't think anyone's going to have a super horrible surprise when they look at their grade, but as always, I want to sort of remind you that, your grade is in your hands. You do not have to stick with a lower grade on your first essay if you don't want to. So if you have any questions, let me know, as always, and have a great rest of the week.